Namaskaram, my dear divine family. I'm Shweta Agarwal, a quantum therapist, spiritual mentor, moksha expert, and the founder of Transcending Beliefs. Welcome to day 9 of the Navratri within. 9 nights, 9 transformations. On the ninth day of Navratri, we worship Maa Siddhidatri, the ultimate form of the Divine Mother. She sits gracefully on a lotus, radiating peace and blessings. Her name means the giver of siddhis, spiritual powers and fulfillment. She embodies completeness, bestowing grace, harmony, and wholeness upon her devotees. She is the mother who reminds us that after all struggles and transformations, life is meant to be lived in fullness. In the journey of life, Devi Siddhidatri comes as the point of completion. This is the phase when our efforts ripen into results, when devotion turns into grace, and when struggle transforms into serenity. It is the time of harvesting blessings, of recognizing inner truths, wisdom, compassion, creativity, and intuition. In this phase, we feel a sense of peace and contentment, not because life is perfect, but because we feel whole and complete within ourselves. When her energy is absent, we may keep chasing endlessly, achieving much but never feeling fulfilled. Maa Siddhidatri teaches us that wholeness is not outside us, it is already within. In the modern world, many live in constant pursuit of success, recognition, and even more. Devi Siddhidatri brings a gentle reminder. Wholeness does not come from what you collect, but from who you become. Her energy is present when you stop comparing, when you rest in gratitude, and when you open yourself to grace. In that space, life feels complete even in its imperfections. It is now time for us to meet Devi Siddhidatri. So find a comfortable place to sit in and close your eyes and fall into the rhythm of slow, deep breath. Breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your nose, allowing your body to rest. Visualize a radiant golden lotus bud in your heart. With every breath, see it unfurl its petals and slowly bloom. Now, allow the lotus to expand, filling you with peace and completeness. Once this lotus becomes as big as your auric field, stop expanding it. Put a hand on your heart and the other hand on your stomach and affirm to yourself, I am whole. I am blessed. I am complete. When you feel whole and complete, gently rub your hands together, put them on your eyes, and come back to an imperfectly perfect world. As you move through today, don't forget to notice the blessings that already surround you. Invoke Maa Siddhidatri to awaken the sense of wholeness within, the state where nothing is missing and everything is divine. Tomorrow, we meet for integration, where we bring together all 9 Swarups of the Divine Mother, the Shakti within us. If these 9 connections with the Shakti has made a difference to you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the power of the Navdurga with your loved ones. Till we meet tomorrow, stay safe, take care and blessed be.